Differences begin at the molecular level. Although you might know that synthetic oils outperform conventional oils, you might not understand why. Synthetics don't contain the impurities and molecular irregularities inherent to conventional oils. Synthetics' pure, uniform molecular structures impart properties that provide wear protection, extreme temperature performance and fuel efficiency conventional lubricants just can't touch, all of which helps you save money with vehicles that run better and last longer. Engine protection. Only a microscopic film of oil separates metal surfaces in your engine from touching and causing wear. AMSOIL synthetic motor oils form a more durable fluid film than conventional oils due to their resilient base oils. They reduce wear and help you maximize engine life. Synthetic oil performs better in extreme cold. 36% easier and faster cold starts. When the temperature drops, motor oils thicken and move slower, causing parts of your engine to remain unprotected for a short period of time. AMSOIL is more fluid at cold temperatures than the tested conventional oil, giving you 36% easier and faster cold starts. This means it can reach vital components faster, providing more immediate engine protection and reduced wear. Synthetic oil performs better in extreme hot. 5x cleaner engines in hot conditions. Vehicle manufacturers are altering engine designs to keep pace with increasingly strict fuel economy standards, resulting in engines that run hotter than ever. The average operating temperature is up to 235 degrees Fahrenheit, and even hotter under heavy loads. This heat can quickly break down oil, leading to oxidation, sludge, and deposits. Recent tests show AMSOIL keeps engines 81% cleaner, 5 times cleaner, than conventional oil by better resisting the formation of deposits. Synthetic oil maximizes fuel economy. The base oils used in conventional oils contain molecules of different sizes and weights as well as unwanted materials, like wax. This typically requires more energy to circulate throughout your engine, which can reduce fuel economy. Conversely, AMSOIL synthetic motor oils are formulated using molecularly uniform synthetic base oils that slip easily over one another and are free of unwanted materials. They help reduce energy loss to friction and maximize fuel economy. 38% less oil consumption using synthetic oil. If enough motor oil is consumed, eventually there may not be enough to reach all the complex parts of your engine, which can potentially cause damage. AMSOIL Signature Series 5W30 showed 38% less oil consumption than the tested conventional oil, requiring less frequent top-offs. Environmental conservation. AMSOIL synthetic motor oils are designed to reduce emissions, last longer, and reduce fuel consumption, all features that help prevent pollution. They resist volatilization, burn-off, better than conventional oils, which cuts tailpipe emissions, while extended drain AMSOIL synthetic oils generate less waste oil and packaging waste since motorists use less oil throughout the year. AMSOIL Guarantee. You can also be confident that using AMSOIL synthetic lubricants or practicing extended drain intervals will not void your new vehicle or equipment manufacturer's warranty.